Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make hot dog with a homemade hot dog bun. I'm using the same dough recipe that I used for my sausage bread roll if you had a look at the last video. So we have here in front of us 600 gram all-purpose flour, 80 gram custard sugar, 30 gram of dry milk powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 250 ml of milk. We're going to warm this up in the microwave for about 40 seconds. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 10 gram of active dry yeast, 150 ml of fresh whipping cream, 1 whole egg, and we have here some pre-cooked sausages. You can use any sausages that your family like. And 1 whole egg plus a tablespoon of water for egg wash, and about 3 small size of red onions, slice them up. And then we have here some sesame seeds we can put on the top, or can leave the bread bun plain. And some sauces, we have the mustard, BBQ sauce, tomato sauce, and the grated cheese for the topping afterwards. So let's get started. So firstly, make sure your milk is warm up in the microwave for about 40 seconds. We're going to add in the sugar and then the yeast, and just going to give it a gentle stir. And we're just going to leave the yeast for a few minutes, and then now we're gonna add in the flour, all-purpose flour, and the sugar, and then the milk powder, and the salt, and we're gonna whisk it all together. Now we're going to add in the egg into the whipping cream. So stir, add it in the whipping cream. Just give it a stir. And then now we're going to add in the fresh cream and the egg into the yeast mixture. Stir. And now we're going to make a hole in the yeast mixture into the bowl. So now we're just going to mix the dough in. Let the dough rest for about half an hour, so we're just going to cover it up with a plastic wrap. Okay, so now the dough is ready. As you can see, it's all double in size. To make sure that it's fully fermented and proof, just put a 2-finger again, and it's still there. So now we're just going to deflate. Take out any excess air by punching the dough, and just gonna put a little bit of flour, and we're gonna take it up. Neat, and we're just going to weigh the dough and divide them out equally into 12 different balls. So we're going to roll them out into balls, divide them out equally. So now we divide the dough into equally 14 pieces, about 87 grams each. 87 to 88 grams each. Okay, and then we're going to roll them into a bowl. So now we're gonna cover the bowl and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now the dough has rested for about 20 minutes. We're just gonna flatten them and roll them into shape of the bun. So just get one of the dough, flatten it, and then we're just gonna roll them up. Sausage, so a tiny bit bigger, so that's fine. Then we're just gonna roll it up. And then just gonna pinch it. Make sure you line your tray with baking paper. Yeah. And we're just gonna put it here. And do the same for that. Flat. So now the dough is being rolled out into the shape of a bun, and we're going to let it rest for about 30 minutes until the bun is double in size. So just cover it up with a plastic wrap. So while the dough is resting and proving for about 30 minutes, we're going to start cooking the sausages. So if you have a grill, just put a baking paper and put some oil on top. Otherwise, you can use your frying pan to cook your sausages. So I'm just gonna line that. So just turn your sausages, keep an eye on it. Same thing like you would do if you're frying on the frying pan, just turn your sausages, keep an eye on it. Some of the sausages are cooked, so we're just going to transfer them and keep them hot in the oven. Okay, those chicken ones are cooked. So now the dough is double in size. It's after 30 minutes of proving. So we're going to take it out and we're going to put in some egg wash. There's a tablespoon of water and egg wash. We're going to brush it on top. You can leave it plain, or you can put some sesame seeds or pumpkin seeds or cheese or however you want your sausage bun. Okay, so I'm going to leave some plain. I'm going to put some with sesame seeds. Make sure your oven is preheated to 180 Celsius fan bake. So now it's ready. We're going to put the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Halfway through the baking, make sure you turn the tray around. So we're going to, while the bun is in the oven and the sausages is still cooking on the grill, we're going to cook the onions now. So heat up your pan on high and just put in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use any oils you use. I'm using coconut oil. We're going to fry the onion until it's slightly brown, and then we're going to remove it and cover and keep hot in the oven. So now the onion is all fried up, it's all ready. So now we're going to switch it off and keep it warm while the bun and the sausages finish cooking. So here's our hot dog with homemade hot dog bun. The bun is really soft, as you can see, and there's a hot dog on the onion, so we have all the sauces and cheese to put on top. So just show you how we're going to serve this. So first of all, get a bun, and we're just going to cut the bun in the middle. heated now. And we're gonna get a sausage. So I like the chicken sausage. And put a bit of onion on top. And put I like mine with chili sauce. You can do whatever you like. And mustard. And you can just put a bit of cheese on the top if you like. Here's our sausage hot dog dinner tonight. Hope you enjoyed tonight's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and look forward to see you again next time.